everyone, today I'm going to show you my CS50 final project which I created a website. As you can see here, the theme is Artifactory. It's a company my dad is working in, so let's have a look at it. Okay, so when you scroll down the page, as you can see a quick glance of the page, you're going to see the header going to have a green box. It's moving as you're going to scroll it down, indicating different page scroll option. Very simple, as you can see here, until contact. Okay, back to the home page. Let's say you are at the below option. You want to go back to the home page at the top main slide area. Let's click on the logo given here and we'll go back to the main option. Wonderful. After the header, I have the, as you can see, the slider having three different text in animated manner. Very simple. And in the first and second text, which comes here by saying Artifactory and so on, you have the read more option. You click on read more option, you go back to the service section. Okay, let's get back again. You click on the second, also read more. You can see here, same thing happens. You go back to the service section. But in the third text, we have for the buy and sell, you have two options, buy now and sell now. When you click on them, you're gonna go back to buy now section. Let's click back here again here, and again for sell now, back to sell now option. Very simple. Okay, now the first header we have is company profile. This is for a link to my YouTube video. We're going to talk about company profile of my dad's company. Let's say I click on that link. I can go back to new page. Let's say new tab. Here you have the video. Very simple. Using a link of HTRF, I've used it into a new video. Now on a service option here, you have the services given. Before that, I have a very simple image. Three different images shown here. The logos for repair, reuse, and renew. I have the text for them, and that's it. Service section, I have three images here given to you, and when I click on the image, you're gonna get this green showing that you are reading currently the repair section. Then it comes reuse, and then comes renew. Wonderful. Next I have this why us. Okay, why us section have given a very brief text, and then I have the buy now option. So I'm focusing the customer to read why to choose Artifactory, and then to let them buy from us. Okay, the product which you have. After this, I have a shop by category. I have given here first mobile, as you can see, then comes laptops, then tablet, then gamings, and then I have TV, and finally I have accessories. So when you click on them, each of them, you're gonna see this the pop-up coming out with the green color, and the two buttons again, buy now and sell now. When you click on them, you'll be shown to the other options given down. Okay, now let's see buy now option. For example, under buy now, I have about 6 devices being on sale. First three are phone and two others are laptops. The phones are iPhone 6, 7, and then Lenovo K8 Note, and then I have the notebook and the iLife, the laptops. Okay, so for them I have given their prices, their stock means how much availability is there, like 5, 3, or 2, how much ever is there, the color, the RAM, the ROM, and so on. So let's say my customer wanted to buy the iPhone 6, any of them. Then click on the buy now option, and let's open new tab for now, and they'll be given to this page where on the right, as you can see here, they have the card option. Card means one of them device you want to buy, iPhone 6, the price, the total price, and on the left section you're gonna write your full name, email ID, address, city, state, zip code, and everything as given here, and go on to buy my product. Okay, and then you're going to continue checkout. Fine. Same way for the iPhone 7 as well. For each of them, the same page is given, but the only difference is that the product and the cost are different. Yeah, as understood. Let me have a look at them, each of them. So let's see. Like here we have for iPhone 7 the price and so on. Other thing are same. Lenovo K8 Note, and we have this card, and we have this again for iLife. Wonderful. Okay, next we have a sell. Now let's say if you want to sell your own phone for cash. For this case, very simple option. You can just do send email to us, okay, and we shall reply to you, or write down your everything over there about a product which you want to sell to us, including the photo of the device. Okay, next we have the partners. I have simply used a slider to show the logos of the partners who the company has, the manufacturer, the traders, and logistics as well. At the end, you have the contact list over here, the footer part basically. Contact info on the left, and you have the address on the right with the map. So click on the map, you're going to go back to a new tab, let's say, and here we have the map location. And at the down I have this policy, okay, and everything is given. And then I also have this link for the social media like Facebook, Instagram, this LinkedIn, and even YouTube as well. And at the end I have my name given over here. Very simple. So my website is also mobile friendly. So let me reduce the size to a mobile, for example. And as you can see, the menu comes like this scroll down button, and you have the text over here. And when you go down, you have different things. Yeah. So depending on your device, it might be laptop, it might be mobile, it might also be your tablet. This website is applicable. So I made it that way friendly. And yeah, as you can see here, it is applicable. Okay. Now what I want to improve in the future is, I did create the buy now option as you saw here, but I want to make it more interactive so the customer can buy and sell on the spot in the website. So for that I have to learn PHP, I suppose. So I'm going to see that later on in the future. So my website will be more e-commerce based. So with this, thank you for watching my video, and I hope you have liked my website, and thank you.